Today, I want to talk to you about financial literacy. But first, let's break down the definition of financial literacy and the three categories that you need to focus on when it comes to money. Financial literacy is the ability to understand how money works. More specifically, there's three categories. So number one, you need to know how a person makes their money or how you're making your money. There's actually four quadrants that you can make money in, and two of the quadrants are better or different than the other two. So for example, an employee in the E quadrant makes money by going to work, trading time for dollars. That's the quadrant that most people are most familiar with. But there's three other quadrants that you need to understand how money is made in those, how it could potentially change your financial future and enhance your financial literacy. The number two thing you need to understand with respect to financial literacy is how a person manages their money. You see, it's not just all good to make the money, but can you keep it? Many times you hear about athletes, lottery winners, actors making all this money, but then they end up going broke or they end up owing a whole bunch of money in taxes. And so it's not just about making the money, but how do you manage it and how do you keep it? The third thing with respect to financial literacy is how do you invest your money? See, money can work harder for you than you ever could work for it. And so do you invest in a business? Do you invest in a restaurant or a food chain or a franchise? Do you invest in yourself with knowledge, education, books, courses? Do you invest in the stock market? Do you invest in real estate? All of those things combined is what enhances your financial literacy. So let's just recap for a second. Financial literacy, big picture, is understanding how money works. So again, money works in three different categories. How are you making your money? Are you making it as an employee? Are you making it as a self-employed? Or are you making it in the other two quadrants of the cash flow quadrant? Number two, how are you managing that money? Again, are you keeping it from the IRS? Are you paying your taxes? Are you paying the lowest amount of taxes possible? Do you have life insurance? Are you protecting yourself in the event that something happens to you? That's all part of financial literacy. And then number three, how are you investing that capital? And I don't just mean the stock market, although you need to know how that works as well, but are you investing in your mind? Are you investing in businesses? Are you investing in other people? Are you investing in your churches, charity, into your community? Those are all things you need to think about with respect to financial literacy. So I'm signing off saying, don't leave your financial destiny to anybody else. And the best way to do that is to increase your financial literacy. I'm Jason Brown, stocks and options coach over at thebrownreport.com. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Hit the thumbs up or the like button if you enjoyed this video. And be sure to swing over to thebrownreport.com and jump on our email list so that you can get my weekly money market insights. I'll see you on the next video.